evaluating trig functions with your calculator. So here in my calculator is a TI-84 Plus. Yours might be different, but more or less it's going to be the same steps. What you want to do first is you have to ask yourself, which degree, angle, measurement, or unit am I dealing with? So for the first example, I have a sine 38 degrees. So I know I'm dealing with degrees. So I need to set my calculator accordingly. For the TI-84, where you want to go is the mode. Your calculator might say setup, but you just have to know how to set your calculator up. So I'm going to click mode, and it gives me a bunch of settings. But the one I want to change is the degrees or radians. So let me click twice, and I'm dealing with degrees here, so I'm going to click over and click enter so that my calculator is set up to degrees. And let me click clear to get out of that. So I want to evaluate sine of 38 degrees, so let me find the sine function, which is right here. Click sine 38, close bracket, and enter. So this is an estimate of the ratio I would get given an angle of 38 degrees and evaluating with the sine function. So the sine function, given an input of 38 degrees, will give me an output of right here. Okay, now for the second one, cosine pi over 4, I'm dealing with radians. One way I know that is because there is an absent of the degree symbol. Also, whenever you see an angle measurement with pi, most of the time you're dealing with radians. So my calculator is still set to degrees, so let me change that so that it's um, set to radians. So let me click enter, set it to radians, clear to exit out of that to get to my main screen. So I want to evaluate cosine pi over 4. So let me find the cosine function right there. And then pi is right there, but I need to click second to get to it. And the division bar is created by clicking division. I'm sorry, the diffraction bar is created by clicking division. And that's pi over 4, close bracket, and then click enter to evaluate. Okay, now if you remember from class, cosine pi over 4 is actually equal to square root of 2 over 2. But the TI-84 gives us an estimate of that value. So it does the whole division for you, and this is what it is as a decimal. All right, and that's it. So if you have any questions, feel free to shoot me an email.